In this video, we'll see how we can ship your order to your customer. Like this is my e-commerce website, like it will be in Shopify, WooCommerce, a custom built e-commerce website. Now user place order, like I user add to cart, then complete the payment and place a order. So you get the order now. You want to deliver this order to user. How you can do it? Like currently you can see I have, and when I go on my dashboard, you can integrate with WordPress, Shopify, everything. There is no limitation, custom website. So these are some order. It's for testing purpose only. So these are some order. Now I want to ship this order to users. So what I can do? I will show you how you can integrate shipping company so that your order will be shipped to users. In this video, I will tell you about which you can prefer. Even you can use the same method in Shopify or WordPress. There is no difference in it. So first ship rocket, and there will be here one delivery and ship rocket. So as of now, for starting fetch, I will recommend you to go with these two. You can integrate it both, or you can, for starting, you can start with ship rocket. Here you can see it's free. Like it is free up to, I think it's free up to 60 or 70 order per month. So what you can do, you can just sign up for free. Then you can fill all the detail, and then you can go on integration channel, setup channel, and here you can connect your website, Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other website. I have created a specific video how to integrate it. I will add link in description. You can also watch that. You can choose ShipRocket to deliver your order to customer. What ShipRocket does, it has all the service providing company like what Express which will be here, Amazon will be here, Flipkart will be here, Shadowfox will be here. You can use any of the each post service. ShipRocket is a platform which work as a mediator between you and the shipping company. You can use this platform and connect, and you can directly ship your order very easily. This is one. And the second one is delivery. Delivery is a shipping company. So they had their own platform using which they can ship product. You can just directly log into one.delivery.com, create account, and you can similarly directly link your Shopify or WordPress WooCommerce account very easily. It will be same method. Using this method, you can easily ship your order to your customer, and everything will be automatically updated to your user. You don't need to integrate, fill everything. Once your order will be placed in the website, it will be automatically will be shown on Ship Rocket or delivery dashboard. You just need to click on ship. It will show the price, select, and then it will be already scheduled. Pickup will be scheduled, and then it will be delivered to user. So that's why you can handle all the delivery options for your website. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.